In this video, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions, and it is, Diana, what is the best internet product to promote? There are tons of products out there. Chances are that you're doing affiliate marketing, or maybe you are creating your own product and your service, and you're wondering which is the best one. So everything is going to be on this video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions, and it is, what's the best internet product to sell online? If you don't have your own product or service, well, there is something that you need to understand is that over 80% of the companies out there, they do have what we call an affiliate program, which is basically that you can promote other people, product and service in exchange for the commission. Okay, so you can promote a physical product, a digital product, or even a service. So which one you should consider promoting? What's the best one, or what's the strategy that I suggest you to go with? Well, let me share with you my screen because I want to explain a couple of things, and I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, so what's the best internet product, out there? Okay, they're physical products, they're digital products, and there's one thing that you need to understand, guys, is that no matter in which niche or industry you are, you need to understand that this is a business and you need to treat this as a business. Okay. So you need to understand that, first of all, you will need to have something that we call a freebie. Okay. Or a lead magnet. You need to have something for free so that person is going to give you their name, email address. That's actually the very first transaction. Okay. You're going to give them something for free, a freebie, a lead magnet. Again, it can be a cheat sheet. It can be a webinar or an access to a webinar. It can be a checklist. It can be a to-do list. It can be a workbook. There are tons of lead magnets, and chances are that the product that you decide to promote, they already provide you everything. Okay, they already provide you everything, so you don't have to create it. Okay, so that's the very first thing, that you need to provide a freebie, so the person is going to give you their name and their email address in exchange. Okay, that's the very first transaction. And you need to understand that the money, it's actually in the list. Okay, then you will need to have what we call a low ticket product or a tripwire product. This is a product in which people are going to be paying maybe $7, even $97. It's considered low ticket. Okay, this is especially really helpful for two reasons. First, if you're running pay ads, chances are that you're not going to be making money with this, but you're going to be breaking even. If you are, well, not if you absolutely need to build a list. You're going to separate those who are just looking for free things from buyers, okay? Because they're going to purchase that product. They're going to purchase that low ticket solution that you are offering, okay? They're going to be getting a quick solution right away, okay? So that's the second type of product that you need, okay? This is an ecosystem that you need to have in place, okay? Then you will need to have the core product, okay? Which is, it's going to be a high ticket product. So it's going to be something that people are going to be paying $1,000, $1,500, $2,500, okay? You name it. This is the main product. So, or the core product. So this is going to provide them a great solution, okay? People, some of them are going to purchase it. Some of them are going to get just the low ticket. Diana, what if I decided just to go ahead and promote just low ticket products? Okay. What happened with that? Is there something wrong? Well, what if I decide to go to the other side of the spectrum and I decide just to focus on high ticket products? Okay. And let's say that you have a $10,000 mastermind. That's the one that you're promoting. Okay. The thing is that this is a business, and that's the reason why I put it this, and I mentioned this from the very beginning. If you decide to go just with low ticket, you will need to make a lot of sales in order to earn good money. And I mean that more than $100. Okay. I mean that life-changing money. So you can replace your full-time job so you can spend more time with your family, with your kids, or if you want to travel, if that's your desire. But if you go again to the other side of the spectrum and you go with high ticket products, people need to trust you first. Okay. You need to be nurturing these people before they decide to go ahead and purchase a product. Okay. That's the reason why you need to have this sequence, and the way to actually sell this is by this. Okay. You're going to be capturing people name and email. Okay. You're going to, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you are going to create what we call a breach page. Okay. Then we're going to have here the product page. Okay. Okay. So you are providing here the freebie. Okay. And via email, we are promoting different products and different services. Okay. So you need to have, and you can have as many low ticket products, and you can also have as many high ticket products. But there is another one, another type of products that, well, it's more like services. You need to have recurring. What does that mean? Okay. This is a type of product in which you are going to be referring to them one time. Okay. And if you're going to be getting a commission as long as they have their service activated. This can be a membership. These can be, another type of service. So this is a great way to make recurring income. Okay. And there are low ticket recurring products, and there are also high ticket recurring products. I have seen products in which people pay a $1,000 membership. Okay. And you're getting recurring commission on that. Okay. So you need to have, again, an ecosystem. And just in case that you're wondering, like, Diana, which are the most profitable niches online? Well, they're health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the most profitable niches. Okay. And if you guys want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. And also, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, guys. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. And remember that you need to have your ecosystem. The very first product is going to be a freebie. Then you need to have low tickets, or what we call tripwire, high ticket, the core product, or recurring income. Okay. Recurring products. So you can have recurring income. So you are not starting from scratch every single month. And something, again, really nice about this is the fact that you're going to have the opportunity to grow your snowball. It's going to be like a snowball effect. Because if you refer one person to recurring product every single month, and then says that, let's say that they pay $1,000, at the end of the year, you're going to have a recurrency of $12,000 every single month and growing. Okay. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.